Hair color remover with baking soda. This is an easy homemade solution for those who hate the color they've got recently and want to remove it. You won't face a sophisticated procedure. It's all about using baking soda, liquid castile soap, and your favorite shampoo. These simple ingredients will gently remove the unwanted color without damaging your hair. To avoid having dry or brittle hair after the procedure, moisturize it with a suitable conditioner. Hair color remove recipe. Take a medium-sized bowl and add 1 tablespoon of liquid castile soap and 4 tablespoons of shampoo. After that, slowly add 3 tablespoons of baking soda while stirring the mixture. Once the mixture is ready, apply it on your hair to cover it completely, and let it sit for 20 minutes. Put on a shower cap to let the ingredients work at a deeper level. After that, wash off the mixture with tepid water. Not all the dye will go off immediately, so repeat for 3-4 days. After using this hair color remover, apply a conditioner to prevent your hair from drying out. Notes: any shampoo can be used for this procedure, but anti-dandruff shampoos are especially good. If you don't have a liquid castile soap, try dish soap, but keep in mind that it can be harsh on your hair.